Welcome back, Wednesday. Let's do some more cutting. I keep saying that, and we're going to do some more grinding. Getting cold in this garage. What I'm thinking of doing is not got long today. Still haven't found my overalls. Is to cut away some of this repair panel that's been put in to cover the holes where it's obviously in it still and the floor have gone before, and also then cut out the original one which I can still sort of feel behind it. And get a lot of this cut away, so we're sort of in preparation for the floor to be going in at some point, or test fitting. So still a lot to do. The bottom of the door pocket all still needs to be cut away yet. So yeah, let's just do a bit of grinding down here, see how much we can clean up. And yeah, go from there. Let's do a bit of grinding. There you go, you can just see where the previous person has repaired the, that's the repair panel that someone's just welded in. That's the original floor there that wrapped around and made the floor. So obviously you can see where it all rusted. They've obviously just bunged a patch in, stitch welded it. Now you can just see the bottom of the doorstep, which so far compared to the other side as well is savable hopefully, so we just got to grind the old sill off to clean that up. But yeah, not looking too bad. So more grinding. Let's, obviously what I've just done is I've hacked the main bit off so you can see what you're doing. Now it's a case of grinding all the smaller bits off, and it's cold in my garage. So yeah, let's keep going. No need to waste. Alright, one section done, the rear section, most of that. A little bit more cleaning up, but that's taken me a good 20 minutes, half an hour, just on and off. Taking it easy as best I can. So it shows you how much time goes in restoring these things. So I might just move on to the front one and get the front bit cut out, and I think that's going to be it for today. Let's move on to the front bit. I don't know if you can see how Alright, so we've got the same to do on the front here. Needs to be a bit easier doing it this way at the moment before I roll the car back round to try and do more. And let's see if I can roll the car right over. I'm not too sure if it'll go though, because I think the centre line through that hole is off centre sort of thing. So basically, if I roll the car over, the roof is going to hit the floor. But you never know. You never know. We'll try that. So yeah, let's trim some more of this up, and then hopefully just leave the cross member in place for the moment, and then we can go from there. Oh, getting old. Oh. Same again on the front bit. You can see the original floor and then the over panel the person stuck on, because it's just quicker and easier than cutting it out and doing it properly for MOTs. That's all they require. Alright, that's going to be it for today. That's my time allocated. Oh, I wish I could do this all day and film good long episodes, but real work. So maybe one day, guys, I could just do this all the time for you. But for now, you'll have to live with just a few minute video. So yeah, that's coming up alright. Box section's still in at the moment. That needs a bit of fettling in there. Let me spin the camera around. Sort of the inner door post area. It looks like more than likely it's where the mini doors, they held on by like pretty much just straps to stop the door check going too far. And basically over time, as the door keeps swinging, it starts lifting this panel up, just trying to pull it out of the car. I had the same problem on the other side. So just have to be careful. We have to sort of persuade it back into position and clean all this up. Inner wheel arch going to need repairing, like the same on the other side. And you can see there where the A panel is all one A panel. It's all one panel. There's no joint, so it used to be the whole side panel. So anyway, I'm going to warm myself up by the fire. Search eBay for parts, etc. See what everybody else is up to. And yeah, so when we come back, we're going to clean up the rear pedal bin, the rear bin floor area, clean that all up, and we can also see if this car does actually roll onto its roof. That'd be quite handy because we could try and do the floor from that way. We shall see. Sometimes it's easier to drop the floor into position than it is to try and drop it in from above. But we shall see. Alright, cheers guys, have a good evening everyone. And because obviously we didn't have pasta yesterday, we're now changing pasta Tuesday to be pasta Wednesday this week. Hopefully we'll be all back on track next week on that, so hopefully no confusion over pasta Tuesday. Cheers everyone, speak to you soon.